replenished my treat supply. Look at this flea. You like the flea? Or that? Where'd your ball go? Where'd your ball? Your ball.
No, you've got it. You've got it.
That's our funky ball.
I do have one in my bag if we...
Oh, here it is.
Okay.
Try this one? Go ahead. That was me. I'm sorry. I made you. No. Their favorite. Yeah.
Where is it? Can you get it? Can you get that?
That's a dilemma.
Let's see how smart you are. Oh,
Whoa.
I'm very smart, he says.
I don't know anything about his history.
Oh, yeah. He says, really? I like to play.
Handsome.
Whoa, look at that. Did you get it? You did.
I drop it. Good boy. Come on. Catch.
Yay! Good boy.
Flowers in your hair. You seem pretty mellow. They don't scare you.
I think they might. Oh, that's sweet. That's a good boy.
Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. That's okay. We got the basics. We got the basics. Good boy. Very good. Not bad.
No, come on, go get it. Yes, good catch. Good boy. What a good boy you are.
Yeah.
I know, he's the first one. He didn't expect it. And then after that, he's been all...
Yeah, he's very... Well, that mouth's pretty big for a little tree. I'll say. Hi, honey. Scary environment, but some unusual equipment here, okay? Excuse me. Thank you.
Oh, he's happy. He's very happy.
Yeah.
Okay.